Okay, this is the salad I made, aubergine salad. We had harvested one aubergine from allotment, diced it, and we cut it and into 2 centimeter sizes. And then first you skin it, of course. You remove the skin with a peeler and then diced it. Then like a jacket potato, I put it in a bowl like this. Add a little bit salt if you want seasoning or anything, like this old season. And then add a little bit, tiny amount of water, like the bottom of the glass, this amount. And did it in the microwave for 10 minutes. When the aubergine was done, at the same time I was cooking this small marble-sized potatoes. And then I had some coriander from allotment, some tomato from allotment. Of course, we didn't have the sesame, we don't grow it, but we bought it, of course, we have it in our kitchen. Some olive oil, a little bit cheese, we made the cheese also. And some onion, again from the allotment. And a little bit salt and pepper. We don't grow pepper, we don't grow salt, of course, we don't mine it ourselves. And I'm adding a little bit of the also tomato, just separate. But also a little bit walnut. Walnut, we don't have the walnut, but I can grow it later probably. That's in project. A little bit walnut, we crush it. And that's it. And it was ready to eat. Of course, I squeezed a little bit half of this lemon there. This is from our own tree also. And the recipe is from this book, Aubergine Salad, from the Allotment Cookbook, published by the Dorling Industry.
Here it is, beef lasagna using our pasta sheets from Aubergine and made in the hot sunset. I really want to try it.
Beautiful food.